basketball. You betcha I'm back in the building. It is the Daily Trainer, ready to give you what you need to succeed, guaranteed. In the gym every day for the game that you love to play. Let's get started on this workout. But before you do that, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, as you can help anybody that you know that likes basketball. All right. So we're going to warm up today with a little ball wrap. Okay. We're going to wrap the ball around our heads, wrap the ball around our waist, wrap the ball around our legs. Okay. After we do that, we're only going to do it for 2 sets, 30 seconds. Okay. Get that full body warm up and that full body feel. Then we're going to get next to a wall and we are going to pass the ball. All right. We're going to throw it with our right hand. Work on catching it again if you can throw it hard enough. Be careful. If you're too close to the wall, you might throw it too hard. You don't want to jam your fingers or you don't want to hurt yourself. Okay. Then you're doing that with the left hand as well. And then you are going to do it with 2 hands. Okay. I taped a little piece of tape to continue to hit a target. So I am working on my accuracy. Okay. You can pass to a partner if you have somebody available, somebody filming your work, or just somebody rebounding for you. Okay. We're going to do 3 sets of 10 on right hand, 2-hand pass, and then on the left hand. Okay. After we do that, we're going to go into our layup series. Okay. Our layup series is our regular layup, our jump stop layup, our inside hand layup, our reverse inside hand layup, our reverse left hand layup. Then we're going to go across the key. You're going to go hard pound, tuck, and finish inside hand. Hard pound, go across, left hand. Then you're going to do the, what I like to call it, Kyrie Irving layup. You're going to bounce it hard, pick the ball up with one hand over your defender's hands, finish with the right hand inside, and then you're going to pick it up again, finish on the left side. Then you're going to go with your left hand and do this whole scenario over again, which is laying the ball up with our left hand, jump stopping, and finishing with our left again, then driving fast as we can to the hoop with our inside hand, right hand finish. Then we're going to finish with our inside hand going left, and then also going right on the reverse. And then we're going to come across the key, tuck, finish inside hand again, finish with our outside hand, and then we're going to do that Kyrie pick up, finish again over the defender's hand. Okay, work on that balance when jumping off that right foot and laying it up with your right hand. All right, we're doing all of that. That's going to get you worked up nice and good. And then we're going to go to the free throw line. Okay, as we go to the free throw line, remember this is a focus point in the workout, and we want to make sure we stay focused while doing it. Looking to find your rhythm and make 5 free throws. After making those 5 free throws, feel free to go over and get that drink of water that you need so much. And with that, I'm going to give you just a quick little talk. That talk is, are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Why not? Okay. Understanding that being in the best shape is going to continue to make you the best player that you can be. A lot of people don't like conditioning. A lot of people don't want to work hard. So you have to remember the importance of working hard. All right, now we're up and we're ready to go. Now we're looking into just some simple dribbling finishes, okay? We have our cone drill where we're going to set up 3 cones, okay? You're kind of zigzagging through them at full speed, and then we want to make those layups, okay? We can work same leg finish. You can work jump stop. Then we can also go across the key and finish, okay? Here I just want you going through and through each cone at full speed. You're working a crossover, you're working through the legs, and then there may be some behind the back as well in there too. Okay, you're going to do that on both sides, and we're just really working on that full speed finish while just zigzagging through the competition a little bit. Okay, then after that, I want you to attack from the top. Okay, you're going to have that help defender coming up. So we're going to work our through the legs crossover. We're going to work our double cross. We're going to work our stop and go on the second defender. We're going to work our turn of the hips and then go again. What I need to add is the counter to that, and then also the retreat dribble drill to that, which I will add next week. And what we need to focus on here is, remember, staying low and engaged in your move, even though you may find yourself getting by your initial defender. If help comes, you still want to be able to make that move quickly. And if your defender's staying with you, you want to be able to change directions, or again, be able to take any bump that your defender gives you. Okay, so we're going to make 5 of each move on the right side and 5 of each move on the left side. That's very important. Then I want you to work our wave drill. Our wave drill is going to be simple waves and attack, then it's simple waves counter, and then it's simple waves attack, then counter. Okay, so we're going to do all of that 3 times each as well. Okay, then after you do all of that dribbling, I want you to go to the free throw line again, and I want you to make 5 free throws. Okay, the importance of focus on your free throws is going to be your rhythm and then your one motion. Okay, when you start to get tired, if you put your free throw into motion, you are probably more likely to miss that shot. You can look it up, see what 2 motion shooters are really making a high percentage free throw. All right, and something to keep in mind as well, with being in shape, you won't feel that fatigue, and your recovery time will be better being able to get to the free throw line. So it is very important that we make these free throws. All right, and I'm gonna give you a nice little pep talk at the end, so stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, put that water down if you got it in your hand. Now we are going to shoot real quick, and then after we shoot, we got defense. Okay, I am seeing so many people lack in the area of defense now. Being at a couple tournaments, seeing some teams on the circuit, and not seeing the success that some teams should have. It's all based on how bad their defensive rotations are and how bad they are defensively one-on-one. All right, so the biggest thing here is we are just going to work hard on that defensive aspect. Okay, first one is going to be directional movement, and we will also work on the overall aspect of it too right after we shoot these threes. Okay, so the threes I want you to shoot today is the around the world threes, and then the baseline run threes, and then the wing run threes. Okay, where you go baseline to baseline, make it 4, and then wing to wing 4, as well as the threes around the world. Okay, so knock those down. Then we're gonna give them the defense. We got our sprint and directional movement. We have our X drill. Okay, all these are gonna be 4 times each. Your legs are gonna be burning, your feet are gonna be hurting, but you're gonna be working. And that's what's important. Okay, so what I want you to do is understand what it's all used for. Okay, and as we sprint down, we're working directional movement. That directional movement is important to cut off your defender and try to stay in front. And then our X drill is if we close out, we're able to slide and stop, and then also recover on the counter. Okay, or at least push that defender out. And then our next drill is going to kind of just cover all of the defense as we sprint out and close out, as we slide and stop, and we slide back for any type of counter. And then our back pedal is just working those quads a little bit. Then we have our full denial on the wing, we have our full denial for the back door, and then we also have our closeout or our defensive slide on the baseline. Okay, you can choose which one you would like to do. All right, and we are doing this all 4 times. Okay, so make sure you do it on both sides. And then the last defensive thing we're going to do is everyone's favorite. Oh yeah, that's right. No, not key slides. We're going to go hash mark to hash mark slides, and we're just going to work on pushing ourselves. And then when we get to the baseline, we're going to turn and sprint, as we need to learn how to sprint the floor. On this particular drill, I'd like you guys to sprint full court or whatever length that you have that is equal to that if you're outside or at home in your driveway. All right, and once we finish that, our extra work today. Oh yeah, you thought I forgot? No. we got extra work, okay? And we're gonna do the jump rope, and we are going to do, well, some of you don't have weights, so if you did have like a little 5-pound plate or a med ball or something, I want you to hug it, and I want you to hold it, and I want you to do squat jumps, okay? And so those squat jumps are gonna help you. It's gonna be 4 sets of 10, and along with that jump rope, which is gonna be 5 sets of 100. All right, and that is extra work, basketball you, and I need you to work extra because putting in that extra time is gonna have you above everybody else. And please subscribe to this channel if you want to continue to be the best basketball player that you can be. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?